Hi everyone! Today I'm starting a new series, Introduction to Git. I did a class on Git long ago, which you can find on my channel, though it's completely unedited and pretty darn long. I decided that it was time to make a more bite-sized version. First off, what is Git? Git is a way of saving your code that's much better than just saving it on your hard drive. First, you can see what changes you've made over time. This is called versioning. Second, you can make branches, which allows you to work on different features without disturbing your main code. Third, it's easy to work with other people when you use Git. If you code, using some sort of versioning software isn't really optional. You can do it, but you can get into a world of hurt pretty quickly. For example, you may mess up your code and not know how to fix it. With versioning, you can easily go back in time to when your code worked and see where you might have gone wrong. Git isn't the only versioning software out there, but it is the most popular at the moment, so it's where I recommend most new developers begin. One thing Git is not is GitHub. GitHub is a service that can host your Git repositories, but it doesn't own Git. It's also not the only option out there, but it's the one most new developers are familiar with, and it's where the vast majority of open source projects are hosted these days. In these videos, I'm going to focus on using Git in the command line. While there are GUI options for it, I recommend developers get used to the command line first, since you won't always be on your machine when trying to figure out a problem. Here's a rough outline of what I'll be covering in the next few videos. Getting Git installed on both Windows and Mac OS, creating a repo on your local machine and setting it up properly, adding, updating, and removing files, seeing what changes you've made as well as going back in time, branching, merging, and rebasing, fixing conflicts, hooking your repo up to GitHub, and exploring some of GitHub's features like pull requests, forking, and tickets. And that's all for now. In the next video, I'll go over getting Git set up. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter or in the comments, and thanks for watching.